मैं सभी नवनिर्वाचित लोकसभा सदस्यों का हृदय से बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं, उनको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। रक्षा मंत्री आदरणीय राजनाथ सिंह जी ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी संसदीय दल के नेता, एनडीए के नेता और लोकसभा के नेता के रूप में आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी इनका नाम प्रस्तावित किया है। मैं उसका अनुमोदन करता हूं और विशेष रूप से पिछले 10 साल में उनके नेतृत्व में कार्य करने का सौभाग्य हमको मिला। हमारा देश सुखी हो, समृद्ध हो, संपन्न हो, विश्व की महाशक्ति बने और समाज के सर्वांगीण क्षेत्र में उन्नति और विकास हो, इसके लिए कटिबद्ध होकर समर्पित भाव से उन्होंने काम किया है। और मुझे इस बात का विश्वास है कि केवल देश में नहीं तो पूरे विश्व में अपने कार्य से उन्होंने पूरे विश्व को भी प्रभावित किया है। अभी 10 साल में जो काम हुआ वो तो एक प्रकार से शुरुआत थी, और इसके बाद आने वाले 5 साल में हम विश्व की एक महान ताकत बनेंगे, ऐसा हम सबको दृढ़ विश्वास है। मैं अपनी तरफ से आदरणीय मोदी जी को शुभकामनाएं और शुभेच्छाएं देता हूं, और आदरणीय राजनाथ जी ने जो प्रस्ताव रखा है उसका अनुमोदन करता हूं, और फिर से एक बार आप सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं। नमस्कार।
मैं एनडीए के हमारे साथी और जेडीएस के नेता श्री एचडी कुमार स्वामी जी से आग्रह करूंगा कि वो इस प्रस्ताव का अनुमोदन करें।
Respected Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji, several leaders, senior leaders who are sitting in the dais, newly elected all my senior colleagues and friends, I congratulate you, all of you, by electing in this election in a huge majority. Today, already Rajnath Singh ji, Amit Shah ji, Nadda ji expressed their views, the contribution given to this country from last 10 years from Honorable Narendra Modi ji. On behalf of my party, I support Shri Narendra Modi ji as the leader of NDA Parliamentary Board. Thank you very much.
मैं एनडीए के हमारे सम्मान्य साथी तेलुगु देशम पार्टी के नेता सम्मान्य चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो भी इस प्रस्ताव का अनुमोदन करें।
Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Union Ministers, respected NDA partners, Honorable MPs, first of all, we are congratulating all of you. You have won wonderful majority I have seen for the election campaign. For the 3 months, Honorable PM never took any rest. Day and night, he had campaigned, same zeal. He started and ended same spirit. In Andhra Pradesh, we had 3 meetings, public meetings, 1 big rally. It had made a huge difference for winning the elections in Andhra Pradesh. Honorable Home Minister has come. he addressed one meeting, very powerful meeting. It has changed the situation in a big way. I am thanking him. Even Honorable Rajnath Singh ji and also Nadda ji and also Gadkari ji, so many leaders have come and they have addressed. It has given a confidence among people that center is with state. We are thanking all ministers. And also here today we stand at a crucial juncture in our nation's history. NDA government under the visionary leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji has taken significant initiatives in the last 10 years. The country has witnessed remarkable progress and transformation. Narendra Modi ji focused and dedicated approach has transformed the nation into a global powerhouse. I am in the politics for the last 4 decades. I have seen so many leaders. I can give entire credit for Narendra Modi ji for making India proud globally. That is his biggest achievement for the country. Now, under his leadership, we have reached 5th largest economy in the world. Now, we are confident during this tenure, he is going to make India 3rd largest economy in the world. And at the same time, he is planning Vikasit Bharat Vision 2047. We are very confident under his leadership, India will become either 1 or 2 globally. It is going to happen. And at the same time, Indians under his leadership globally will become number 1 globally. As on today, Indians are all everywhere. If you go anywhere in the world, highest per capita income Indians are earning. I am confident under his leadership, Indians are going to become global leaders in the near future. It is going to happen. You name public governance, corporate governance, in the name of service, we are going to serve the global community. That is going to happen. Under this, sir, only all of us have to keep balancing regional aspirations and national interest must run parallelly, ensuring holistic development across all strata of society. Friends, I have seen so many governments. We are a very, very inspiring time. Anything you wanted to achieve, if you visualize, it can be done. Narendra Modi ji is having a vision, and also is having a zeal, and also his execution is very perfect, and also he is executing all his policies with a true spirit. Always to have a leader. Right time is a great asset for the nation. Today, India is having a right leader, right time. That is Narendra Modi.
ऐसे तमाम वीडियो देखने के लिए सूरज टाइम्स नाउ को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और वीडियो को शेयर जरूर करें।